This is Pritesh Ramani, and I am from Kronox Life Sciences Limited, Gujarat, Vadodara, and we are manufacturing high purity fine chemicals as for pharma and reagent grade in bulk quantity. We are manufacturing is a higher grade chemicals only, fine chemicals like phosphates, sulfates, chloride, and all the inorganic salts, also organic salts like urea, thiourea, and EDTA, which is all high purity. And this company is Kronox is a GMP certified along with FSSC 22000, FSSAI, ISO 9001, all required certificate we have, and we supply all the product along with the regulatory documentation for the pharma and food industries. It's nice and is good response yesterday also, and today is also a good response.